back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marie and I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. I am so excited because today we are trying out how to make chaffles. If you're like me and you spend way too much time scrolling on TikTok, I am sure you have come across these keto snacks which are called chaffles. Of course, in order to make these chaffles, I had to get myself the Dash Mini Maker Grill. I got it from Amazon and I will link it in my description box down below. But yeah, honestly, all you need to do is get this little guy, and then most of the ingredients that we will be using in order to make these recipes, I already had in my fridge, so you don't even need to go out to the store. I am sure you guys already have these things. If you're excited for today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. It will really help my channel out a lot. And of course, subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. I do post twice a week on Mondays and on Thursdays, and I post so many different videos all on health and wellness. Now, without further ado, I'm getting really hungry. Let's just go ahead and get started. I did already try out this first one that I will be showing you, and honestly, I am glad because now I know the mistakes that I made and not to make them again, and I'll be able to tell you guys what to do. The first thing we will be making are healthy keto onion rings, and you guys, they are amazing. Now, the first thing you want to do is plug this in, and while we get our ingredients ready, this will start warming up. So all you need is 3 ingredients: mozzarella cheese, an onion, and garlic powder. That is it. So the first thing that we'll do is start cutting up our onion. Now that the oven has heated up, we are going to spray coconut oil on it so that our ingredients don't stick to the pan. Woo! Now, the mistake that I made when I first decided to make this is I put too much cheese. I am telling you guys, you have to put very little cheese. So once you put your cheese, you want to go ahead and place your onions. Then go ahead and take some garlic powder to season it a little. And then we will just top it off with a little more cheese. My eyes are starting to burn. And now you will leave it like this for 2 minutes. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. You might have to flip it. Now we are just going to wait. Alrighty, so as you can see, there will be lots of smoke, but that is okay. I did flip it halfway. So now we are going to take it. This is what it should look like. And you are going to place it on some paper towel just to get rid of that excess oil. While this is sitting, let me actually go ahead and start off the second one. So just a bit of cheese, some onion, some garlic powder, and more cheese, and close it up. Now let's go ahead and try this together. I am so hungry, you guys. So good. Super crunchy, but it's not burnt. Let's go ahead and flip it. Here we have the keto onion rings. I promise you guys are going to love them. They are absolutely amazing. Don't be alarmed by the dark color. They are not burned. They are just perfectly crunchy. I won't eat these because I need to take a picture for the thumbnail, but now let's move on to the second recipe. Next, we're going to be making a keto bread to make a sandwich with, and I am so excited because this one I have never tried. So the recipe says that you need a 1/3 cup of cheese. I did choose this shredded cheese that has half the orange and half the white one. Then we are going to put 1 egg inside. Then we are going to put 1 tablespoon of almond flour. Then you can put your spices of your choice. So I will be putting garlic salt once again and some black pepper. I won't be putting salt just because there already is some in the cheese. Now let's just go ahead and mix that all up. Let's go ahead and repeat the same process. So the first thing we are going to do is spray with this. Then they say the trick to a crispy chaffle is to put some cheese. And then we will go ahead and put half of our mixture. Also, there is another mistake I forgot to mention. Make sure to put a paper plate under the dash because it leaks. Alright, so after you put half of that, let's put a little more cheese and close her up. And now we wait. Let's see how she looks. Oh my god, it's so fluffy. Can you guys see that? I have to give you a close-up. Where's my phone? Let's pat her dry. This actually looks so good, you guys. I can't believe how fluffy it turned out. Now let's make the second one following the same steps. Honestly, I should have mentioned this in the intro, but I am not even keto. I just love cheese. So this works perfectly for me. Alrighty, there we have them. Now let's go ahead and make sure they are pat dry so that they are not oily. I am going to be using this to make a lunch sandwich, but you can use this for breakfast as well. So I have here some romaine lettuce, and I am going to be putting some prosciutto. And there we have it. Alrighty, let's go ahead and try it out. I am so excited. It's crispy on the outside and soft in the inside. It is so good. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys try these recipes out. I am sure you will love them. I will for sure be making them again. Even if you are not keto, but you are trying to lose weight or just lower your calories, or if you're just looking for a healthier alternative, this is the perfect way to go. I promise you guys will love it. I actually just made my sister try that sandwich, and she said she didn't even taste the cheese. It literally was a substitute to bread. So it's not just me that's saying it, you have someone else's perspective. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you want me to try other healthy recipes, I am very open to doing that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see all my future videos. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just catch you guys in the next one. Bye!